Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 3rd, and this is my recap of the top view videos from last week. And the pound US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty good thrust up towards the end of the day on Friday, right at the Fibonacci level. I mean, to me, this does look like a complete wave A, nice corrective wave B, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. I think there's a pretty good chance this is the end of the correction. This move up right here is for sure higher highs, higher lows. I think it could be a 1. I think this could be a 2. I think there's a pretty good likelihood this is going to go up and make a wave 3, and that this right here really is the end of the correction, end of a big wave 2 on the daily time frame and up. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, nice Fibonacci bounce at the 61.8 as you can see. Nice break of structure to the upside. Now I would be waiting for a retest because most likely after this break of structure it will make a pullback. At the end of this pullback, especially if it's a nice three-way pullback like a nice ABC, nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, especially on a little bit of a shorter time frame than this, would be exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, hopefully this is the end of a wave C, and now we're going up for a wave 2. This over here is a big wave 1. This is a big ABC of 2. Back up for wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.